So big sell-off in the market today, big gap down. This should have happened on Friday. I felt like a lot of our trades last week, our short trades, were, not fully extended because of the market. And now we see the follow-through on Sunday night, gap down, and Monday morning, gap open. And so you see that here. How are the strategies doing? I thought this might be a choppy, volatile day where it would be one of those days where you lost in the whipsawing of the market, but it's done well. The strategies have done well. One of the things that worked out well is the market opened near the overnight lows, and oftentimes if the market opens up off the overnight lows, it's a lot more volatile, but since it opened up near the overnight lows, gave us the opportunity to get in on these long trades. Mirror, E-mini S&P, took the opening trade for plus 475. Night trader lost in the night, so it was down. So loss on night trader minus 1525. If you're looking to add to night trader, it's been on a wonderful streak. Let's take a look at the performance summary. It's been on a really good streak, and you have this pullback right here. And so typically when you see these losses, those are times to get in and go. And so night trader down last night, and adaptive moving average up $1,400 on the day. The market continues to sell off. We're not used to seeing these Monday morning gap downs continue to sell. They usually, Sunday night or Monday morning, they're usually propping it up a little more, and I think 7% is the limit down. So we're halfway there, and it could be a limit down day. I don't know what this is going to hold. Gap continuation has been stopped out twice. Pretty tight stop for this volatility. Might need a little bit bigger stop on days like today. I have to research that, but this strategy has been on a nice run in recent equity peaks. Today it's kind of getting chopped up in the volatility. Minus $300 on 2 trades, and it's on its 3rd trade in a row. And so minus $600 before slippage and commission, and we'll see how this trade ends up on the day. So those are the trades in this workspace so far today. The AT strategies did not send out shorts, and the SR counter trends didn't try to buy the dip. And so we did have mirror buy the dip, made it on the long side, adaptive moving average, and gap continuation taking the short trades, and night trader did buy the dip overnight and got and lost on that trade. All strategy access 2, some nice trades here on QS3. This strategy really works well. Just this quick mean reversion trade at the open plus $900. So it was beneficial for the market to open down near the overnight lows for that trade to work out so well. And then tick count trend 2, two nice trades in a row. This strategy doesn't trade much, but it really gets in on these really weak days that are hard. It's hard to short a gap down and buy a gap up. But this strategy has done well doing that. It's hit 2 profitable trades plus 1150 on tick count trend, E-mini NASDAQ. Asia gold lost, gold flash lost. It got caught up in the whipsaws. So you see last night here on this, gold flash lost on this trade, minus 825, and it also Asia gold 4 lost on the short side. So it's a whipping day in gold. Cobra Euro taking another nice long trade today. You see on Friday had this long trade. Not sure why the euro pulled back so much with the stock index futures being down, but it did, and it gave another nice entry on the long side so far today. And soybean swing short, minus 75 on that trade. So all strategy access 4, Cobra Crude is short, plus 260 on this trade. No other trades there. All strategy access 5, no other trades there. So those are some of the trades on the day. Actually some nice gains overall in the stock indexes. Gold being the market that's down the most, and so we'll take a look at the final results at the end of the day. This is the midday report on this big sell-off today. Not a lot of strategies trading. I think Cobra 3 could kick in here in a little bit. From what I'm seeing, you might take a short trade here, and it might feel like you're shorting it at the lows, and it could be a losing trade. We don't know yet, but this market continue to sell. I don't know what the overall feeling of every market participant is. If you look at the longer term charts, you can see you can see some support points right in here: 8,900, 86.91, and You know, December, just in December, less than 3 months ago, the market was down here at 8,200. So it's gone straight up. This pullback is, it's normal to have pullbacks. We'll see, though, the yield curve inversion and coronavirus are two of the big factors affecting this market and the market psychology right now today.